Hi viewers, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. Today's video is being made at the request of a regular followers of FOREX BD. Today we will talk about IC Markets, and IC Markets is one of the best broker house in Forex. So we will discuss in details about the activities of IC Markets, account opening, verification, download of MT4 platform, login, deposit, withdrawal and rating review of IC Markets and its benefit. Everybody is looking for the best broker house for trading in Forex, and everyone has a question in their mind, which is the best broker house in Forex. Although we uploaded video about IC Markets account opening and verifying, so today's video will discuss A to Z about IC Markets, the advantage and disadvantage of IC Markets and its worldwide rating review, as well as many people here are having trouble verifying the account. So today we will overcome this problem. So I hope every Forex trader will watch this video from beginning to end, because whether you are a beginner trader or a professional trader, you must do real trading in a good broker house. Stay tuned and follow this playlist of FOREX BD to know how to easily create account and verify account in any broker house. And I will request the well-wisher of FOREX BD, please subscribe FOREX BD's another new channel. Here you will catch awesome videos for you, and I would like to say those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. IC Markets is one of the best broker house in Forex. IC Markets is 100% Russian as well as 0 pips spread here. Not only this, everyone wants to get the payment early, and here the payment is made within 24 hours. And here are the minimum withdrawal is $5 and the minimum deposit is $5, which means if you want to trade with $5, then you can do it. And the rating of this broker is 9.2. First of all, go to the description of this video and click on the link to go to the homepage of IC Markets. Then create an account by clicking Start Trading here. Fill everything in this way, and if you want to know more about account opening, then you must watch this video, then you will get all answer. Second point is how to verify account and what type of document we need. Account verify of IC Markets is one of the most difficult tasks, because IC Markets is one of the best broker house in the world that we all know. For verification, we will need two documents. First one is ID verify. For this, we need smart card or passport, which you can see on the screen. Second one is address verification. For this, we need bank statement and utility bill or TIN certificate, which you can also collect from online without any charge. Scan copy of each document, capture clearly and hold it in your hand with face, which you can see on the screen. Third point is how to be sure this is one of the best broker house. IC Markets rating is 9.2, so here you can work with an account. Now I will show you the worldwide rating and review of this broker. For this, we have to go to the site called FOREX Peace Army. If you give a few time here, you will get all the information about a broker. That is a broker's regulation, behavior. You will get all the information about the characteristic of a broker here. Here you can see the broker's information for yourself. This is an Australian broker. Their email address is given along with their contact number, and it has many payment methods that you can withdraw and deposit with the payment method you like or which will support in your country. And you can see the comments of traders about this broker. And we have uploaded a video on how to create an account in IC Markets broker house and how to submit your document. Those who have faced problem creating an account can watch this video simply put here. Now the main problem is that many traders face problem in verifying the account here. So those who are not getting the account verified after submitting the valid document can contact the IC Markets official WhatsApp number. This number shown on the screen is their WhatsApp number. Many people have verified their account by contacting this number, which you can see. So you can contact them and let them know that your account has not been verified even though you have submitted legal document. So ask them to track your location and verify your address. They will track your location and verify the account. But I will request you to stay at the address given in the bank statement or utility bill, because if you are in a different place and then if they track your location, then they will see that your location does not match with the address of your bank statement. So you will have trouble getting verified. So keep that in your mind and contact them. Now I will show you how to open a trading ID. That means you have to open a trading ID to trade after creating an account. As soon as you open the trading ID, they will send an ID number and server number details via mail. Every broker has many account types such as standard account, cent account or true ECN, etc. And if you want, you can open an account and open all kinds of ID. Open a live account, go to this option and you will be able to open a new ID. Once the ID is opened, you will be given the number of that ID via mail and also server number, etc. as you can see on the screen. Then you go to the IC Markets website and download the MT4 platform from here. Just like this, you can see here. Download and install it. Once installed, open the software. Then click on the menu at the top left. Click on login to trade account, then enter the ID number from that mail, then enter the password, then select the server that is written in the email. Now you can trade in this broker. You can also trade in IC Market by your mobile phone. For this, you have to go to Play Store and install MetaTrader 4 software. After installing it, open this app and click on the top left. Then click on the Manage Account option. After clicking this option, you will get another new page. Then you have to click Login to an existing account. Then another new page will appear. Then you have to search your server name that will given in email. After getting your server, click on this and submit your ID and password. Then you can also trade by mobile. Last one is how to deposit and withdraw in IC Markets. In IC Markets, you can deposit and withdraw as you wish, which is not possible in many brokers. With this broker, you can deposit minimum $5 and withdraw minimum $5. Yes, you hear right. In this broker, you can deposit minimum $5 and you can withdraw $5. Now I will show how to deposit dollar in the IC Markets under the new rules. When you came to the deposit option, you will select the payment method, that is Neteller or Skrill, whatever you want. Then submit your email address, then select the trading account, then write your deposit amount. I will show you $5 deposit, so I selected $5. Then a new page will appear. On this page you will write the password of your dollar account, that is Neteller or Skrill account. Then your payment information will be shown on this page. That means your name, your email address, your ID and your deposit amount. Even then, if you click on the complete order option, your dollar will be immediately deposited in the IC Market. You can see that $5 has been reduced from Neteller account. That means $5 has been deposited in IC Market. So viewers, we have given all the information about IC Markets in today's video. If you want A to Z review of any broker house, please let us know in the comment box immediately. We will do our best to fully discuss the broker on your request. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is FOREX, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your Skrill and Neteller account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend. And if you have any request, please write down in comment box, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, Tata.